Okay, to draw the quadratic curve, first of all we have to work out all of these coordinates. Now the easiest way with the new Casios is to make use of this button down here, the answer button. If we type in that x coordinate using the minus button up here, -3, and then press equals, might sound bizarre, but what we've done is we've put that number into that button. If I now type in this equation, x squared plus 4x plus 1, but hit the answer button instead of the letter x, so x squared button plus 4x plus 1, when I press equals, that tells me that the first value is -2. And I repeat that. However, if I don't clear anything, I will now have to type that in again. I'll have to type in the x coordinate each time, so -2, -2, press equals. But if I hit the arrow up button here, it brings back the display of what I typed in previously. Answer squared plus 4 answer plus 1. If I press equals, it tells me that the next coordinate is -3. Repeat myself, so -1, press equals, arrow up, press equals, and I get -2. Now I don't have any negative coordinates to worry about, so nothing, press equals, arrow up, and press equals, 1, which I could have guessed anyway, because for 0 it's always that numerical value at the end. Put 1 in, so 1, press equals, arrow up, press equals, 6. 2 equals, arrow up, press equals, 13. So it gets repetitive. 3 equals, arrow up, press equals, 22. So that's the difficult part of this work. What you then have to do is plot all those coordinates onto this graph. So at -3, we are at -2. At -2, we're at -3. At -1, we're at -2. At nothing, we're up at 1. At 1, we're up at 6. At 2, we're up at 13. And at 3, we're up at 22. And then, as neat as you can, draw a curve through all those points. And there is your quadratic curve. I'll back that up with the second one. So again, I'm going to start with -3. So I type in minus button 3 and press equals. But this time, the equation is x squared take x plus 3. So answer squared take answer plus 3 equals first y coordinate 15. Repeat myself again, -2, press equals, but because I haven't cleared anything, arrow up, press equals, 9. -1, press equals, arrow up, press equals, 5. Now, as I said on the previous 0, I don't need to use the calculator. Nothing, 3, it'll be 3. 1, press equals, arrow up, press equals, 3. 2, press equals, arrow up, press equals, 5. And 3, press equals, arrow up, press equals, 9. Now, if you ever cleared anything, instead of arrow up, you just have to type that in again. Answer squared, take answer plus 3. But because I haven't cleared anything, I could quickly do it using that arrow facility. So now we're ready again to plot the points. At -3, we're up at 15. So we're up there. At -2, we're up at 9. So there. At -1, we're up at 5. So there. At nothing, we're up at 3. At 1, we're up at 3. At 2, we're up at 5. And at 3, we're up at 9. Now that means that when I come down here, I don't just go across there and back up. It needs to dip down and then back up, because that's what the quadratic curve will always look like. So we come down, slightly further down, then back up. And there is your second quadratic